Day. So that means your period is cut in. Okay. Take out your thread. Okay. Carefully take it out. Remember, you have 2 wings that you made last week. So I'm being very careful taking out my 2 wings. After I have my 2 wings out, you're out. And you should have a ball of clay in there. Okay, there's that. And what we're going to do today, I'm going to explain next once you have all your pieces out. So scoring is kind of wet, scratch, attach, okay? So, I'm going to write that up here, okay? Your lines are going to look like this. Those are the markings for the scratching. So thumbtack, and you're going to need water. Watch how I do this. I'm going to look and decide where I want my wings to go. If I want to curl them or whatever the case is, I play around with that afterwards. But now I know where my wing is going to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into the sponge just by wetting my fingers like this. I'm not picking up the sponge. I'm going to wet where I want my wing to go. I'm going to take the thumbtack, which you guys are going to have to search for later, and I'm going to do the scratch. There's a whole bunch of scratch lines. Now I have it on the bottom. I need to do the same thing to the wing. So I'm going to wet my finger, wet where I'm going to attach it, scratch, and then I'm going to attach it together. Now when I attach it, the 2 pieces should touch, and I give it a little wiggle. Now what I want to do is I want to smoothen out where I attach it so it looks like it's 1 piece of clay and not 2. So wet my finger again, I smooth it out. You can't even tell that I attached a different piece of clay on there. So it's smoothing out, just like so. Can you guys see how it smooths out?
Yeah.
Okay, so there is 1 wing attached. Both pieces? Both pieces are done? Did you wet, scratch, and attach both pieces?
This is my first one.
Remember, wet, scratch, attach to the body and the wing. And then smooth it out.
Okay.
German, are you done?
Stop. Gotcha. No crack should be in there, Flores. Is it supposed to?
Yeah, just wait. Check your work. Make sure it's all smooth.
Put that on. Look.
You're going to take a little piece of clay and you're going to roll it into a ball. And you want to get 2 of these pieces of clay the same exact size. Watch what I'm doing first, because then you're going to ask me later, what do I do next? Okay, get 2 little balls here. And what you want to do is you want to give it a little squish. Watch. Just a little bit. Now what you want to do is the front of your owl, decide which side is going to be the front, and these are going to be the eyes. Okay? So you're going to decide, you don't want them too close to each other, you don't want them too far apart, because then you're going to look a little weird, right? You want them a little space in between. Once you have that, then score your eyes onto the body. So remember, you wet the back, wet, wet, scratch, scratch, attach. Wet, wet, scratch, scratch, attach. Got it? All right, go for it. On your owl.
Are these good?
No. Scratching, you scored it on? Good. Row one's rocking over here. Those hands so I can spray your owl once all your clay's away. You wash your hands. That means no tools, no thumbtacks, no knives, nothing on your table. No fabric, nothing.